this? Oh, yeah.
Next thing you know, they'll probably call the police on us. Thanks to you.
I'm gonna try and work this sound here on here. Alright. It's in my bed.
Shut up.
You want me to.
You're gonna become a professional screaming bitch.
Well, that's the music industry or porn industry. Pornography. Do you like how I did it like a news reporter? I'll do it better next time, I promise. Is that all you could...
I remember me and Sarah did a news reporting thing. And we were wearing suits.
Why do you have
The
suits?
jacket part of the suit, and my mom was recording us, and for some reason Sarah beat me on my shoulder. And Mom was like,
Sarah! Alright, look at this. Okay, alright guys, I think I may have found a revolutionary thing. Look. You pinch this.
right!
And I pushed a lot of the
One
wire.
player shuffles the deck and deals the cards one at a time to each player until each player
It was that
has
much!
cards. Yeah. The rest of the deck
From
is
this
placed
fingertip
face
to this
down
microphone
in
is
the
how much I can
the
do.
first player has 5 or any other value she or he may have. No! No! No!
Sore loser.
No! Soy loser.
Want this? Want this?
What's the instruction booklet?
It's in the back. Why do you need a booklet for cards?
Instruction booklet. Card.